Let's recap short division. So the thing I need to ask myself each time is how many whatevers go into this number. So for this question, how many fours or how many groups of 4 can I get out of 5? It would just be one group of 4. If I wanted to check that, I could draw out 5 dots and see that, oh, there's one group of 4 with 1 left over. So one group of 4 I can get out of 5 and I get 1 left over. My next number is 16. Again, feel free to draw dots if you want to. I could get 4 groups of 4 out of 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 4 out of 16. For the next one, I'm asking how many groups of 4 can I get out of 3? Well, if I draw 3, I'll see I can't actually get any groups at all. So now they're all left over. So I say I get no groups out of it, and those 3 now get carried across, giving me the number 34. I could draw out the dots, but it would take a bit of time. So using my times tables, I know that 8 times 4 is 32, which is quite close. So 8 times 4 is 32, so it goes in 8 times. But because I've got 34, it's 2 more than 32, so I've got a remainder of 2. Some of the questions you come across might require you to do a 2-digit number. So sometimes you might want to write those numbers down the edge, the timetable, if it makes it easier. Sometimes it just helps to have them there to look at, but you don't necessarily need to do that. So I start exactly the same as before. I say, how many lots of 12 can I get out of 3? Well, none at all. If I had just 3 dots, I can't get any groups of 12 out of that. So my 3 gets carried across. So now I ask, how many groups of 3 can I get out of 37? Well, if I look here, I've got 36, that's quite close, 48 is too high. So if I did 3 times 12, 3 lots of 12, goes into 37, but I have 1 left over. Now I'm asking, how many lots of 12 can I get out of 16? Well, it's just 1 lot, which would be 12, meaning I have 4 left over because my number is 16. Then I've got 48. How many lots of 12 can I get out of 48? Looking down my list, if I wasn't sure, I can see that 4 times 12 is exactly 48, so nothing left over there. So I put in my 4, and I'm finally asking, how many groups of 12 can I get out of 5? Well, that's none. It's too small a number. I can't get any out. So those 5 just get left over as my remainder. There we go. All done.